Hello. So I saw this game, well, this demo on Steam, and I was like, this could be fun. So let's get started. Whoa. This. Oh, this is gonna be really fun. This is gonna be fun. Okay. Begin. Alright. What am I supposed to remember? Dude, I got dementia. You can't do that to me. Whoa. Oh, we're in the dark room.
I imagine you're feeling a tad disoriented, uncertain possibly, like a sock that's lost its pair in the dryer of existence. But not to worry, this is perfectly normal. To start, your name is Caleb, and this vast void of nothingness that we're currently floating in is your mind. It's not always empty, of course, we're just doing a bit of maintenance at the moment. And actually, that's precisely why you're here.
Whoa.
I see you've centered your attention on our childhood basement.
1 second. I need to turn VSync on. That is laggy right now.
This is a great start, but not exactly what we're looking for. Our memories here, and their corresponding feelings of loneliness, anxiety, and soul-crushing guilt, are rather inconvenient. So, while I find a way to properly reorient onto our designated path, please find a way to occupy yourself. I'll be back momentarily.
I'm gonna be honest, I don't know if my computer can run this. This looks great, though. I am gonna see if I can turn the graphics down, though. Oh, that's so much better. Okay. Entertain man. Who just knocked? Oh, this looks crazy. This feels, I mean, they got that nostalgic feeling down right. Oh, no way. Okay. Oh, I'm short. I see. Hello, Walter. Oh my god. It's the cup. It's the cup. I'm taking this with me. Oh wait, what are they calling the Wii? The SN. This is cool. Oh. Is this a puzzle game? Whoa. Oh. Is it the evil meal? What's that? I see you. Just give me a second. I don't... Okay, fine. I like this. I really like this. This is fun. Oh. Oh, ghost children.
Wonderful.
You scared me. Why is it channel surfing? Sorry, I was itching my ball. I don't like this clock. Ooh, okay. I probably need a time. How do I get out of this? E, okay. It's gonna give me a time, isn't it? Okay, 35. We could do 12 p.m. Your eyes moved. I don't think 12 p.m. is going to be the one. Let's keep you there for now. Because I'm worried. Does the... I don't like you. Does the bigger your eyes mean the closer I am, maybe? No. This is creepy.
No worries. At 5 and 35 vitamin E, lutein, and omega-3.
Are you fucking scared or something? Like, what's going on there? Okay, it's distance-based. Got it. So the closer I am, the bigger the eyes are. Okay, is there something telling time in here? What temperature is it? 73. Is it winter? Okay, I need to get it at the correct time. So it's currently 5:30. 35, rather. Can I do this without Googling how to use a clock? So that's 3. 5. Right? And then 30 would be right here. So about... Whoa!
I'm sure it's nothing. Here. It seems we unfortunately don't have as much time as I'd hoped. We'll need to pop over to a different, happier memory rather soon. I imagine you're feeling a bit unsettled.
Yes.
But please don't worry.
I am. Gun!
These knocks are just little intrusive thoughts. They're not real in any capacity, only little flickers of our imagination. And it looks like we're going to play a little precautionary game. Quite a simple one, really. Just listen to the doors on either side of this room, and if one starts to creep open, hurry over and close it.
Oh, no.
Just a little game of focus. You've got this.
Because there's one in here too, right? Yes. Which one's creaking open? No. Oh, why are we Five Nights at Freddy's 3-ing this? Colt bunnies. Go, 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 go. I'm gonna get jump scared. Okay. Oh my god. Calm down, man. What if I leave the doors open at this point? Is that one opening? No, okay. This confuses me. It feels like the cops are coming to take away my father. What?
Wonderfully done, Caleb. Unfortunately, it appears this memory is still exhibiting signs of unpleasantness, discomfort, and existential dread. So, rather than dealing with all this mess now, why don't we take a stroll around and try to focus on something else?
The gun. I'm taking the gun with me. Okay, I can't hit it with a dart. Oh, that doesn't help me.
Please follow the illuminated arrows to our alternate destination.
I think we float down here. I don't like that we're following balloons. I just finished watching Welcome to Derry. Oh, no. I'm that person in the horror movie. I'm dying first.
Ah, let's not waste time. We have so many joy-filled memories waiting.
Okay. There's a couch in the way. Do I just... Okay. Oh, I thought I saw something. Oh, I did see something. There's blood on the carpet on the ceiling. Why is there carpet on the ceiling? Okay. Oh...
Ah, what a lovely painting.
Fuck you. Okay, screw it. Oh, no. Hello, Walter. Oh, don't creak, you bastard.
Imagine all the time and effort that went into making that painting look just how it does now. It'd be a shame if it went unnoticed.
That painting's looking really enticing right now. Okay.
No, please. This place isn't quite ready yet.
It's giving me options to, so I'm going to do it. Whoa. I still have the gun with me. A flashlight would be nice. Okay. This is really scary. No, my gun. Okay, no, we're good. Ooh. Oh. I feel like I've heard that sound effect before. So there's many possibilities. Let's go. Well, I feel like I've made a mistake. 'Cause now... Oh, I could have just jumped out. Okay. Okay, so first one you see is yellow, then red, then blue. Red, yellow, blue. Okay, red, yellow, blue. That's new, though. Oh, no. We'll come back if I get a flashlight or something. So that was yellow, red, blue, yellow, red, blue, green, orange, maybe? Yellow, red, blue, yellow, red, blue, yellow, red, blue, green, orange. Yellow, red, blue, yellow, red, blue, green, orange. Yay! I did it! Makes me want a hot dog real bad. Oh, no. I've got choices. Let's go to the less permanent one first. Oh, it might be permanent. Okay. Oh. Oh, no. The blue makes the blood horrible. I'm not gonna jump down. That's not smart. This is creepy, and I love it, and I'm scared to death. I'm sure this would have just led the same place if this is the green. Okay, what? Okay, back up I go. Oof. We're gonna go back up, and we're gonna go down that green slide. Down we go. I feel like something's gonna start chasing me and I'm gonna die. Didn't I just come from here? I may be lost and confused and scared. What if I just... Screw it. Oh, okay. I just die. Ah. I think I have to drop the gun at some point. Left click to grab a wire and put it on that thing, I think. I could entirely be wrong. I don't know what this is trying to say. I don't have it. Okay. Do I need to be holding this, or is it just... Oh, shit. Okay, well, where was that, then? What? Okay. We're gonna figure this out. Oh, I get it now. I get it. I'm holding on to the energy. Shut up. Shut up. Stop tripping. I know it. Okay. I am smart. It changed colors. I'm gonna go over here first, because this looks like I'm not supposed to be here. Oh, it's another one, so... That scared the absolute shit out of me. Well, there's blue. I don't like... Oh, I fell into the floor. What am I supposed to do? Is that just... Okay, we're just gonna guess. Because now that I know what's happening... It turned me around. But now that I know what's happening, I can just... turn around immediately, continue running, and just go... Ooh, go, 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 go. Oh, bitch! We'll get there. We will get there. We will get there. I'm gonna do it, whether or not it wants me to. We're gonna go, we're gonna run, we're gonna keep going, we're gonna keep running. I don't know how far he'll chase me. There's an exit sign. I fell. Okay. Terrifying. Oh my lord. I'm gonna hide. Oh my god, dude. What even was that thing? Wait, like, that was just an ugly looking dude. Can I go up again? Can I? Oh, I've got a choice to make. I guess I'm going orange. It was the least bloody looking. You know, I'm kind of glad I didn't go red. Okay. Okay. I think this is my only choice. Oh my god. The happy ending. I don't think that was very happy, but I'll take it. That was fun. Okay. How long have I been recording? Oh, we got time. I'm gonna see if I can get the other ending, where we just follow this guy's rules. We're just gonna follow and do what he says. Because he's like, hello, I'm British and you like me.
Of course,
he might be Scottish,
we're just doing
actually.
a bit of maintenance at the moment. And actually, that's precisely why you're here.
Alright. Here we go.
I see you've centered your attention. Wonderful.
Oh, is it a different time this time? Caleb. Oh, I did it backwards.
It seems we unfortunately don't have as much time
Here,
as I
have a
hoped.
gun. One second, I dropped my gun. Yippee.
Wonderfully done, Caleb. Try to focus on something else.
We're gonna follow his rules this time. Ew, I stepped in goopy goopy blood.
Ah, what a lovely painting.
Yes, it is. Whoa. It's the same thing that happened. Whoa.
Here we are. Welcome to our memory of the waterworks.
This is cool. This will be a happy memory, maybe, or else I'm gonna get betrayed by the narrator.
I see you've managed to find a rather gloomy corner in this otherwise joy-filled memory. Please immediately disregard whatever feelings cause you to seek this out, and return to the happier parts of this memory.
I'll be honest. Full accident, didn't know that was there. I was like, oh, a corner that it's allowing me to go to. This must be a secret. Yay, I'm water. I guess that went directly into my ears. I see that. Are those eyeballs, or is that just a light? I think it's just a light, but I'm gonna go probably get jump scared again. I don't want to, but... Ugh.
Ah, Caleb, you found it. This is our memory meter.
I did.
It tracks all those perfect little pockets of joy we experience and stores them for us. The more we explore, the more we focus on all that joy, the more this meter will fill. When the meter's full, well, that means we've successfully re-experienced all the joy that memory has to offer. And we can move on. No need to rush. Just keep your eyes open. This joy has always been here. We're simply remembering how to see it.
Okay. How much do I weigh? Tiny, tiny little guy. Let's see, is this a memory? Here we go, I guess. Oh, why is it creepy sounding? Here we go. Yee, wee, wee. Yippee! Oh, it's in the dark. Yippee! Yay! Nice. Alright. That was cute.
Wonderful. We've got our first few ticks on our memory meter.
Alright. Okay. What else is there to do aside from... Because I just came from that one. I feel like it wants me to go back up here. Oh no, the eyes are gonna follow, aren't they? Is it same thing where it's distance-based? Oh, yep, it is. I'm however tall this is. Wait a fucking second. Didn't it stop me by this point? Or am I thinking of a different one? How high does this go? Oh no. Excuse me. Wait a second. We'll come back to that.
Don't worry about that. It's just a little mess. Let's try out this red one instead.
Okay, let me see it. Let me see it. I guess... Fine, I'll do your stupid order that you want. Alright. Here we go. Oh. Okay, that's fair. I got very worried there. I thought I was gonna get jump scared. But that's good. I like it. The wave ending. How many endings are there? Nah, okay, just 2 endings. But that's good. I like it. That was fun. Okay, 100%. If y'all want to see me play the full game when it comes out, tell me in the comments, like the video. I gotta do this YouTuber stuff because apparently it helps. Like the video, type in the comment. If this video does well, I'll play the rest of the game whenever it actually comes out. So, have a great day, y'all.